Is your diesel-powered Ford feeling sluggish and slow? We cover some of the main reasons why this could be happening. One of the leading causes of slow acceleration and poor performance is a dirty air filter. You should replace it between 15,000 and 30,000 miles, or sooner if you drive off-road or in dusty conditions. Low quality or contaminated fuel is another top reason behind your Ford having poor acceleration. If you are experiencing a rough idle, sudden loss of performance, or a check engine light after a refuel, it is most likely contaminated. Sometimes a cetane booster can help restore your diesel's performance. If your truck has starting or idling problems, or smokes excessively, the diesel injectors may be faulty. This can happen from contaminated fuel, worn-out injector control valves, or incorrect installation. Check the injector's fitment and wiring and replace any faulty components. A dirty fuel filter can choke your engine under load, leading to power loss, especially during hard acceleration. It's an easy fix but is often overlooked, so check your fuel filter at every service, and especially when your vehicle is feeling sluggish. These simple fixes should have your Ford performing at its peak in no time. If you need any OEM replacement parts, from filters to injectors and more, Blue Springs Ford Parts has what you need. Click on the link below for more information.